So today we're going to look at how to use these gravity salt and pepper shakers. So the first thing you're going to notice is they are empty. They're brand new. We just got them. So at the top here, this is your gray adjuster on how you adjust your grind, if you want it more fine or less fine. And then at the bottom, this is where your salt and pepper go. There's no marking on these. The only way you're going to know if there's salt and pepper is by what's inside the bottom. So one thing to note about them is they require a ton of batteries that are not included. So they each require multiple batteries. I'll show you how to pop that off and take a look at what they take. So you're going to turn that from this arrow to this arrow, pop it up, and then you're going to see that each side of these takes 3 AAA batteries. So that means 6 batteries per salt and pepper shaker. So that's 12 total between the two. So you're going to pop the batteries in, and then you're going to pop this back on, line it up with a little arrow or caret, and then you're going to move it over. To refill the bomb, just going to unscrew it, holding right here, and then you're going to pour your salt and pepper in, and then you're just going to screw this back on. And the way they work is by gravity. So all you're going to do is turn them like this, and the electric motor is going to feed the salt or pepper through, grinding it by how dense, coarse, or finely grained you want your salt or pepper. So they're pretty cool setup. If you don't have a salt and pepper, I highly recommend checking them out because they're just something fun, like a cool kitchen gadget. If you already have a set, who knows, you might want a different set as well to play with. So they come in all these colors. This is the pink color, but they have a lot of varieties depending on what your favorite color is.